Two little kittens, one stormy night, began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse and the other had none, and that was the way the quarrel began. And that was the way the quarrel began. I'll have that mouse, said the bigger cat. You'll have that mouse. We'll see about that. I will have that mouse, said the tortoise shell, and spitting and scratching on her sister she fell, and spitting and scratching on her sister she fell. I've told you before, it was a stormy night when these two kittens began to fight. The old woman took the sweeping broom and swept them both right out of the room, and swept them both right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow. They had lost the mouse and had nowhere to go. So they lay and shivered beside the door till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. And then they crept in as quiet as a mice, shh, all wet with snow and as cold as ice. They found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. Yes, than to quarrel and fight.